Good evening. My son naming Alfonso is not home. There's Lizzie Poy, the retired man. See, Lizzie Poy, the retired man. This is latest little groceries at home from Piumbaru Plaza. Just now, we have some flour, we have some chicken, potato, okay, and some vegetable, carrots, apple. Okay, this is only less than $30, okay? This thing, okay, less than $30, okay? Some tissue box, May 26, 2026, okay? Some noodles, bread, you know, more noodles, okay? Enjoy, folks, at some black for the verb of Singapore. This little groceries, okay? Enjoy Singapore, okay? May 26, 2026. May San Miguel also is not. Enjoy Singapore.